Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome everyone. Most people who buy pen kits will usually be one of three types of kits. There'll be the twist pens, which I've done quite a few reviews. The type where you literally take the cap off, which I haven't done any of those yet. Or thirdly, there'll be usually like the novelty pens. For most people who go to the shop and buy more of a premium pen, it will usually be like a click pen. So there doesn't seem to be many click pens out there as kits. I've gone back to Beaufort Ink again and I've picked up the Tempest Pen, and I've got that in gunmetal and the gold. A few months ago they brought out a new click pen and that's called the Notice, and again I've picked that up in chrome and black chrome. Now I have done a click pen before in the past of sort of like these premium type pens, and the ones I'd bought in the past was from Taylor's Murfield, and I still had one in my drawer which was the Athena. So in this video I'm looking at the Tempest pen kit from Beaufort Ink. I've got two options here that I've bought. I've got the gold and I've got the gunmetal. So I've laid the gold out here. This kit has been on sale since 2016, so it's been around quite some time, and according to the website they've not had any issues with the mechanisms. In actual fact, they've had no issues from customers complaining about any failings on the pen whatsoever. It's a little bit different in some ways because it's actually a two-part pen kit, a bit like if you did some of the twist pens. The packaging, as I've mentioned before, from all of their stuff still comes with all this plastic. So all the individual pieces have got these little plastic bags, but I've got to say the quality of the kit is just the same as all of their kit. The real question mark will be over how well the click mechanism works once it's all assembled. So the main parts on this is you've got a longer, thinner tube at the bottom, which will use one drill bit, and a shorter, fatter tube which will go on the top end, which effectively will slide the click mechanism into it. In the middle you've actually got two pieces which you'll then push into each part of the blank, and this is where it will unscrew down the center. So that's a little bit different as well, because with their twist pens you can actually unscrew the twist mechanism or you can actually unscrew the nib. So this one is down the center, and it's the bulk standard Parker style refill, their own type of refill that they get specially made. How much difference they are, I don't know. I've also bought their bushes. Now the actual cost of these pen kits is, for the Tempest at the moment as of the first half of 2024, is £7.45. The bushes on these ones cost me £5.75, so they're not the cheapest bushes, and that might be because there's actually 4 bushes in there, so they're a little bit more expensive than compared to the Notice, which has only got the 2 bushes. Somebody did actually ask me about these cases for the bushes, and Beaufort Ink actually sell these as well. So if you want to tidy up your own bushes, store them all into nice secure ways in these, you can actually buy these off their website. So I'm going to go off, find some wood of some sort, and get these scuffed up and get the blanks prepared so that I can actually get those turned and we can assemble this to see what it's like. I've downloaded the instructions from Beaufort on the Tempest pen, and as per usual, professionally looking, what you expect. These do take a little bit of reading though. You have to look back at the pieces to really tie up. Also pleased to have downloaded this as well and checked it, because it also says on here about not putting pressure on the actual click mechanism itself. Drill a 7mm hole in a piece of wood to pop the actual cap through, so that when you press it together it's going onto the shoulder rather than the cap. So always look at the instructions first of all for Beaufort, because they are very detailed and professional looking. Certainly the best I've seen on any website so far for instructions for pen kits. regarding the blank I've done, I've used a piece of pink ivory. So assembly wise, first of all, put the actual nib part in. Just make sure you've got these around the right way, because one end is slightly thicker than the other. You can use a pen press if you prefer, but I mean, I just find it easy enough for the few pens that I do to do it on the lathe. So the next section is your threaded coupler. Exactly the same. Now, if you've got grain to line up, it's important that you screw this piece on next. Then you can line up your grain to where you want it for when the pen is actually screwed up together. Now this one as well, both ends are the same thickness, so just if you are lining up the grain, make sure you've got it the right way round. So if you just gently push it on by hand first of all, then unscrew it. That should still stick in there, which can then be pressed together. And then finally, the cap, as I mentioned at the beginning, the clip on there is fixed, so make sure you choose precisely where you want to put this. Just be careful as well, because the back of this is actually very good. No rough parts on there as well. There are some joins where sort of it's been bent over, but if you're worried about it, just make sure you lift the clip up as you push it in. And if you really want to be on the safe side, slide something under there to start with to try and protect it. So here I've got to use my block of wood. So the idea is to place that through the hole. And just make sure, push that in a slight bit and make sure I've got that lined up properly, which it is, and take that all the way in. And then finally, spring on the refill, pop that into the bottom, and just might need to make sure this is catching the mechanism properly in there before you do it up. And that's the pen. The Tempest from Beaufort Ink. Gotta say, I am really impressed with this kit. I can see why this kit has been around since 2016 and still going strong on their website. Quality on all the components, exactly as you expect from Beaufort Ink. Everything is so nicely finished on there. There's a little bit of detail on the clip there. And really, to be honest, like with all their pens, the clip and the detail on these is going to be totally down to personal preference. The more and more I look at this, the more I like it, and it's not just down to the colour of the blank. I think the pink ivory on this goes really well with the gold. Obviously with different finishes, different colour woods are going to go really nice too. But what I really like is this thinner section on the bottom that you hold and the slightly thicker section. I suppose the only downfall on there is you get a little bit more weight on the top because of the thicker wood, the mechanism, but it does fit in the hand and feel nice. I think that looks really stylish. Mechanism, it's really positive, no real play in there, and it works absolutely fine. And also for a click pen, it's just something nice with those two different thicknesses there. I actually think it works a treat. It's going to be down to personal preference how well you like that. So coming up, I've also got a review on their new Notice pen, which I've also assembled there. And at the same time, after that, just so we get some form of comparison with the click pens, I've got the Taylor Murfield Athena that I've done there as well. Thanks a lot for watching.